Hello dear students and welcome back to this online class video. This is the third part of the chapter 5th, The Way the World Looks. And before starting the video, I requested all viewers to like, share and subscribe my channel. And I am Jai Prakash. Let's start the class. At first, let's have an overview of today's class. So in today's overview, I have taken two topics. The first is Ismail's home and the second is Ghibli and the big box. Ismail's home is related to the direction test and Ghibli and the big box is related to the dice. Now let's come to the first topic, Ismail's home. So let's see this. On the phone, Ismail told Srijata to the route to his house from her house. The route map is shown here. So here we see that here is Ismail's home and he is calling to Srijata to come his home, and Ismail is giving the direction in his phone. Now let's know the direction. This is what Ismail told Srijata. Okay, now Ismail is giving direction to Srijata. From your house, reach milk booth and then take a left turn. Okay, let's start it. So here you can see the Srijata's house. So Srijata is come out from the house, so he will go to the milk booth like this. Okay, so here is the milk booth. Now from here he will take a left turn. So if she will take left turn, so she will go to the upside, means north direction. Now from the second crossing, take a right turn and go over the bridge. So this is first turn and this is second turn. So he told that from the second turn she needs to take a right turn. So let's take the right turn for Srijata. Now go straight, then take the first right. So go straight where the Srijata is crossing the bridge. Now he told that from the first right, take the first right turn. So here we have to take the right turn. So Srijata will come here. Downside she is coming. Now after 100 meter you will see a big park, and here is no big park after 100 meter. So the big park was upside actually. Okay, now let's know what is the problem here. Did Ismail go wrong somewhere? Yes, Ismail was wrong. Can you correct him? Yes, we can correct him. Actually, when he gave direction to Srijata, he told that in first turn, go to right side. So that was wrong. Ismail should say go to left. Okay, then Srijata will take to reach the park. Okay, then after 100 meter walking, he can turn and reach to the Ismail's house. In this way we can correct it. And now Ghibli and the big box. As I told you, this is related to the dice, and let's start it. Do you remember Ghibli, the ant in the Mathemagic book 3? Yes, we remember that. And now, well, one day Ghibli saw a big box on her way. You can see here a big box where in the face it is writing 4, and this is Ghibli. It looked like this. Yes. Now Ghibli moved across and turned left. Now she could see the other face of the big box. Now Ghibli is here, and when she turned left, okay, so she could see number 5. Now Ghibli was very confused. What was this box? She climbed on a cup and tried to see from there. The box looked like this. So here is the top view of the box. Okay. Now can you guess what that box like thing was? Yes, no doubt it is a dice. Now the numbers on the opposite faces of this box add up to 7. This is the main important thing, dear students. Just learn this, that opposite faces makes 7. Okay, now let's make a dice. We are going to make a dice ourselves. So watch it properly. So first we have to make a cube. So let's make it. First 4 sides, then another 4 sides, then match the corners. Now here, as you can see, in the front face we have 4, and so its opposite direction, here it will be 3, right? And here is 1 on the top, so in bottom it will be 6. Why it will be 6? Because opposite makes 7. So if you will add 6 with 1, you will get 7, and if you will add 4 and 3, you will get 7. So it is very important to check this root. And here we have 5, so we have to take the number 2, because 2 and 5 makes 7. So now here you can see that the opposite numbers are here. 2 is opposite to 5, 4 is opposite to 3, and 6 is opposite to 1. So just remember this properly, because we have more questions related to this dice. Okay, now come to the question. Which number was on the opposite side of 5? Yes, we discussed about it, that opposite side of 5 is 2. Why? Because opposite makes 7, and here is 5. So which number is remaining to add with 5 to make it 7? That is 2. Yes. And here is 6, I want to write, and on the top here is 3. Remember that. Now in the picture, which number will be at the bottom? So here you can see number 6 is at the bottom. Which number will Ghibli see if she again turns left from 5? So first Ghibli was here on the 4, then she turned left and she reached on 5. If she will take another left, so she will reach on the number 3. Yes. Any doubt? I think there should be no doubt. And now the next and the last question. What will this box look like if you opened it up? So here you can see the box is open, and a new face shape is made here. Mark the correct picture. So here we have A, B, C and D. So which is correct? How you will find it? How can you say? So there is just one rule to check it, that opposite make 7. So you have to add the opposite numbers. Okay, if there is 7, so that is the correct dice. Okay, open face of the dice. So now come to the number A and try to add the opposite numbers. 3 is here, and the opposite of 3 will be 4. So 4 and 3, 7. So it is right. And here is in the middle, it is 1. So its opposite will be 6. So 6 and 1 make also 7. Here is 2, and its opposite is 5. So 5 and 2 also make 7. So the option A is the correct answer. Now let's check also the other that is wrong or that is right. Let's see. Here you can see on the top 3, so its opposite is 4. So 4 and 3 make 7. It's right. Here is 5 and here is 6. So these are two opposites, and 6 and 5 makes 11, not 7. So this is not the correct option. So option B is wrong. And now come to the C. Here is 4, opposite of 4 is 5. So 4 and 5 makes 9. So it is wrong, because opposite makes 7, and here is they are making 9. Now come to the last. Here is 3 and its opposite is 6. So 6 and 3 make 9. So this is also wrong. So option A was the correct answer, and you also check it. Okay, very nice, my dear students. So that's all for today's class, my dear students. See you in the next video. There is a practice session for you in the next part. Must watch that. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye.